I'm Jeremy. I'm not the owner of this house. You'll be surprised why I'm in this video. But before that, let me introduce you to my ID.
Hi, I'm Joseph from Monoloft. I'm the main designer of this house.
I'm the brother of the owner. Why am I in this video is because that I'm the man in charge because he's always overseas. I got to know Joseph over a housewarming party of a friend. At that point of time, coincidentally, I'm looking for ID firm for this particular house and looking at the decor as well as the renovation design work done by Monoloft for my friend. I'm very confident that Monoloft will be able to actually help me achieve what I want over here.
We hit it off quite well in the housewarming, and after a few discussions, I invited him to our showroom to have a look at our works and our portfolios.
Okay, my brief to Joseph at that point of time was fairly simple. Number one is actually to help me optimize the space that I have for the apartment, and number two is actually to look at how to constantly match the color tone across the whole place. The whole renovation process is smoother than I expected, largely because that Joseph and his team has actually been very hands-on from managing the project from the start to the end. When I first saw the unit, it was actually a dual key apartment and space was the biggest concern I had. Hence, I threw the challenge to Joseph and team to help me solve it.
To create an open space, we suggested to hack away the wall behind to create an open concept kitchens.
Okay, on top of hacking of the wall, Joseph and team also suggested solutions in decluttering the apartment by concealing our refrigerator as well as washing machine inside the kitchen cabinet. In addition, with space being limited, we would like having shelvings within the island. We also actually requested for a consistent tonality in color from grey and pine wood.
Due to Singapore environments, I believe that solid wood is not a wise choice. That's why we suggest that we go for compact brass. We create a wood finishing feel, yet it's water resistant and scratch resistant.
If you ask me which part is the favorite of mine, to be very honest, I like the whole house because not just the optimized space, but the whole color tone from the moment you step into the house, the settee area all the way across the living room, even to the master bedroom and the washrooms. The color of grey and pine is constantly and cleverly matched. My advice to new homeowners embarking for renovation is to actually have something in mind and be very proactive to co-work with your ID firm to come up with the ideal outcome that you will wish to have. If you ask me whether I would recommend Monoloft to the others, honestly bro, I wouldn't.
Why?
You want to know why?
Yes, of course.
And viewers, do you want to know why? The reason is because I'm a very selfish person. I want this unique design to be all mine and mine alone. But me thinking as a gracious Singaporean, to viewers out there, I would definitely recommend Monoloft to you because I want you to own a place as nice as this. Like to take this opportunity to actually thank Joseph and the Monoloft team for making this happen. And the best way to show my gratitude is actually Joseph, not to worry. My own apartment will be done by you as well.
I'd like to thank Jeremy and the house owner Jonathan for giving us this opportunity to do out a beautiful house for them as well.